I have a question about YouTube. So YouTube is now forcing ad on all channel, whether one like it or not. Is it still permissible to do YouTube videos? Because YouTube do whatever ads, whether it's haram or not.
So you mean to watch YouTube or to monetize your channel?
My channel without no money. I don't want money.
Okay.
I put video on YouTube, and I click no ads on my YouTube, but YouTube put forcibly ads on my
Warum?
videos. Because it's new policy. They notice they can make more money.
So do they do this with my channel?
On all channels. You know Huda TV?
I don't know about Huda TV. I know about my channel. If I click one of my links, I never find videos, ads.
Yes, they put it like if I am from Germany, for example, and they notice I click on your channel a lot, they put ads.
I don't know. Okay, if this is the case, now if you are having a lot of good, so you have a YouTube channel, you publish only da'wah material, halal material, Islamic material, and they force upon you on this platform that they put ads without your consent. There is nothing you can do about it. Continue doing the good work, inshallah, and there's no sin, and the sin is on them, bi'idhnillahi azza wa jal.